We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. This week has been one of the best weeks I've had in a long time. It has been so relaxing. I have just sat in the sun. I have swum every day. The kids came over. You'll see in a bit that we spent a lot of time together. They slept for about 3 nights and it was wonderful. And I haven't done much, to be honest, and that's partly the reason why this video isn't very long. But I just wanted you to get this taste of how we did pass the week and how wonderful it was actually to just do nothing, to just enjoy il dolce far niente, which us Italians love to do whenever we can. And I mean literally doing nothing. I didn't even make my bed, and I'm the type of person that I have to make my bed every single morning, and for 2 days I just left it like that, and it was a great feeling. Honestly, it was just a feeling of freedom. Like, what's gonna happen? Don't make my bed. The bed police is not gonna arrest me, are they? Yes, so I have enjoyed this week thoroughly. Next door, work has carried on at my sister and my brother-in-law's property. The decking is almost finished. It's wonderful. I will show you a little bit through the video. And it's all ready for 2 weeks time when they all arrive, which will be fantastic. And it won't be as relaxing as it was this week, but it'll be amazing because I can't wait to see everybody. So sit back and enjoy. I think it's about 10 minutes or so, I'm not quite sure, and just enjoy this video. Today it actually rained for about half an hour, and it was actually really nice. Everything just freshened up, but the sun is coming back, and yes, it's going to get hot. Let's go see what Massi is up to. Good morning, Massi.
Morning again.
What are you up to?
Playing the guitar.
You playing the guitar?
No, putting new mosquito nets on your kitchen window.
Good. I think that was the only one that had a hole in it.
Yeah, just going to repair that because our cats are they love mosquito nets.
They love sharpening their claws on our mosquito nets, don't they? So this is something that anybody can do, really. You just have to buy the roll of mosquito net and then make a frame.
Yep, which I have done with aluminium.
Yeah, you previously made one, but now he's bought... What have you bought?
This is a piece of aluminium that's got like a slot in it.
And
I've bought this plastic, like a nylon, I don't know what you can call it, nylon...
thread type thing.
Roundish thread, and it's going to hold the mosquito net in the slot that I've made. Well, that's there.
Amazing. Great. Enjoy.
Okay.
Excuse the mess here. We've got the projector in because it rained, and Massi's drill because he's doing the mosquito net. But I wanted to show you Fabio's, it's against the light, Fabio's drawing. I put it in this gold frame, and I love it. It's a bit better. There you go. Looks gorgeous in this gold frame. I still have to find a place to hang it up, but I love it. As you walk in, I see it, and it's so nice. Okay, mosquito net back in. It looks brilliant. No hole, so I can leave the window open up at night. Nice. This palm tree was planted by my father about 24 years ago, and I always felt that it never grew. It always seemed to stay the same height. But since we've come back, which is about 7 years ago, We keep on watering it, and Massi keeps on cutting the leaves, and it's just shot up recently, and we just can't believe how tall it is. I mean, I used to be able to film, I used to stand behind it and film, and it would be just a little bit taller than me, and now it has definitely shot up, which I'm really glad about. We picked our first beetroot, which was very sweet, and then we've just picked some tomatoes and some lettuces, and that'll do us both fine. That's what we enjoy. Morning cuddles with all the kittens. I love them. Our little ragu ready for lunch. The kids wanted cavadelli, so I said, come on, help me out here, we need to hurry. And they're doing a pretty good job. It feels like Speedy Gonzales.
Buoni.
Bravi, bravissimi. Sono venuti buonissimi. Un po'. Very nice. Right, let's get. Where are the plates?
The wind's blowing the cheese onto the pasta perfectly. Buono.
Nice.
Cavatelli fatti dai nipotini.
So this is the outside table. We just woke up this morning and let's have a look at the cloth. This is all of Etna's ash. It's incredible. All over the table. Same here, all over our front porch. Ash. Ash from Etna. All over the place. Yeah, so here you go. Nice little pile of Etna ash, and to think that we're an hour and a half from Etna is actually crazy that it comes all the way here. That'll go in the garden. And let's not mention the ash in the pool. This happens every year. I think I need somebody to sponsor me for a pool robot. Okay, I've just gone shopping with Mattia, my grandson. There he is. He's just dropping the trolley off. We've gone and got a few things for lunch. They're spending a couple of days with us, which is really nice. And we're just doing swimming. We're swimming basically all day long, aren't we?
Now we are going to panificio to buy some bread for lunch.
Signora, cereali e questo pane.
No signora, quello, il pane con l'oliva.
Quale preferisci questo?
E hai cereali?
No, integrale.
Una busta per piacere, signora.
Some people may think that going out every day to get fresh bread or going to get fresh fruit and vegetables every day may be quite time consuming, and I suppose they are right in a way, but it doesn't beat the joy of going out and getting everything fresh and meeting the locals and them saying hello to you every day.
Look, Nana.
What? You guys did this all by yourselves?
Yes.
Very good. So does it go in the oven now?
No, it has to go in the fridge.
Oh, first in the fridge
Yes.
and then in the oven?
Yes.
Well done. Are you guys going to be doing the washing up?
Yes.
I hope so. Look at this. Wow. Okay, great stuff. I think I'm going to have a slice of that with some coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Nando.
So while the decking next door to my sister's was being finished, of course we had to go over and try it out. We had to try the pool and see if it had that seal of approval. And we must say we did enjoy it. So yes, a lot of fun was had at our property and also at my sister's property. It was great. Let me give you a little tour. Look how beautiful it is. So this is all the decking. They've put the umbrella, chairs and everything on, but as you can tell they are still working on the decking. Pool is massive. I love it, and they have this beautiful view of the mountains. There's our house over here. I think they're going to grow the bushes, I'm not sure. A bit higher maybe. Anyway, it's lovely, it's gorgeous. We spent literally all day here just sitting and enjoying this beautiful area. The weather's stunning as well. You see making the railing to the stairs. Okay. Looks lovely from up here. Love it. This must be one of our favorite drone footage that Massi took of Mount Etna, and I thought I'd put it on the end of this video just because she has been really naughty this week. She has erupted and she has caused so much damage really, because the airport had been closed and ash has been flying all over the place. But we wouldn't have it any other way because we love Etna and we are very proud of her, and yeah, life just wouldn't be the same on the east coast without our Mount Etna. So anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this week's video, short and sweet, and we'll see you next week with another one. Ciao!